action.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. As you saw already from the title of this video, this vlog will be filmed on the Leica Q3. We are testing out the video mode for our vlog channel. Of course, this is just a test trial, and we are using the built-in microphone of the camera. We are not using external mic. And also we're gonna test out how it looks like, also the stabilization, how it goes, and we are excited to give it a try. Let's go. We are having a walk here. Evelyn is behind the camera now. He will do some shots while I'm walking with the baby, and then we can switch. I can do like a selfie type of vlogging and see how close it goes with the close-up shots. And yeah, let's go. We are having a walk here near the airport area. It's a beautiful green space where you can have a walk. There is a lot of green, and it's about sunset time. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening, so I think the light is really pretty right now. And we're gonna shoot also during the actual golden hour, which is always a good idea. We love a good golden hour. And maybe by the end we can also...
Okay, this is police.
And also by the end we can for sure make some also pictures at golden hour. Let's see how it goes. Can you hear me? Yeah. This is I'm super excited to review the footage afterwards and see how it sounds. Here is not that noisy. You can see some nature sounds, and also the highway is over there, so maybe a bit of car noise, but I think it's really good environment to test out the sound. And I'm also excited to see the image. I mean, for sure the Leica look is cool. I believe now in this video mode we're using the Leica look, the chrome one, because it is now the default look. And it doesn't need a lot of editing in post-production. How do you like it?
Yeah, it's very interesting how face detector follow you.
Okay.
And follow your eyes.
So it's working good?
Yeah,
The
it's
focus?
very nice. It's focus. Yeah.
Is it slow or is it...
I mean, it's a little bit slower.
Okay.
But yeah, it's good.
Let us know in the comments how do you find the focus. Is it focusing good to me while I'm moving?
Sometimes losing focus, but
My face? Okay.
but mostly is on focus.
What about stabilization? The build, is it?
Yeah, I think
shaky?
it's not shaky.
Okay.
Not too much.
Yeah, it's not like a gimbal style
Yeah,
camera.
yeah.
It's practically the essence of the Leica is for photography, so
This is handheld for sure now.
And this is 4K, and this is, I think we're shooting in 30 frames.
Yes, 30 frame.
Yeah.
Now I see.
I'm not sure if we can change it. I looked at the menu. Maybe we can try. I didn't really research a lot about if we can shoot in 24 frames.
Yeah. Lazy
Baby.
Baby Lazy. Hello, Lazy.
Lazar is turning 18, 11 months today. In 1 month he's turning 1 year
Lazy.
old.
Hi.
My baby.
Well,
We can now maybe switch.
you wanna, okay,
I will grab now the
camera like
camera.
that, okay.
Okay. Okay. Which way? Should I do like this?
Yeah.
Or the same?
I'm not sure. Can you see this? Yeah, this I think will be.
This direction?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Okay, I'm walking and vlogging. Now it is focusing. Okay, I'm turning around.
it's too bright. I
Yeah,
think.
let's go.
Yeah, but I have to turn.
I'll hold it like this. Not sure if I'm now on focus. Hopefully the camera will do that for us. Yeah, but today it was a nice day. We were in the city, we had some lunch together. Also, what we did, we came home and I forgot what we did. That was pretty much all we did. The city on Saturday is always busy. We made some pictures for Instagram, some content. And that was the day. Now I would like to turn the camera and shoot.
If you want, I will continue.
And
Or
shoot
you
this
can
one.
work. If you want, you can make.
I
some-
can make some images here
Okay.
in the field. So pretty.
Cool, huh?
Wow, look at that. Okay. Here is cool for some pictures with the tree and the
Yeah.
field. Should we make now shots or afterwards?
Okay, we will make now if you want.
Okay, so cut, then we continue.
Okay.
And we're back. You saw already the pictures we took. Now we're about to approach the lake, little lake. And the sun is setting down, so the light is getting so nice.
Yeah.
We're almost there, but there is not that much light there. See?
Yeah.
It's in the dark now. But yeah, we can get there and so interesting. You have beautiful evening light, but it's not for a long time. It's just for a small window period of time, and you need to be prepared.
Yeah.
Look, over there is. Yeah, here is a pond. It's not a lake. It's basically a pond.
Yes, but it's cool.
Yeah.
If you want, you can
I can grab the camera
grab
now.
camera.
Yeah. Wow, look at the sun and also the flies flying over there. This is the lake, the pond over there. Wow, so pretty. Right?
Yeah. I'm filming also on the video.
Okay. I will
Wow.
show you. That's Evelyn with the DJI. Slowly turning. Wow. That light is gorgeous.
Wow, did you see the
Yeah,
duck?
the duck is over there. It's pretty. Okay. I will turn around the camera. Can you see? Can you hear the airplane? Can you see me?
Yes.
It's good?
Yeah, and face detection.
Awesome. Yeah? I think we're gonna end the vlog here. Again, let us know in the comments how do you like this vlog on the Leica Q3, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and like the video, and we'll see you in our next one.